Welcome to this short unboxing and setup video. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this unit with my own money and thought some people may be interested in this unit, so I created this video. Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing and installation of the Grid Connect Smart Garage Door Controller. It is powered by a USB connector and connects to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. There is a sensor which allows it to determine if the door is open or closed and can provide notifications if the door is left open. In the box we have the instruction book, the control unit, a bag of various self-adhesive clips and brackets, and a box containing the double adapter and a USB plug. Install the Grid Connect app if you don't already have it installed, and follow these steps to create an account. Once you have the app set up, turn on power to the unit and click the plus button at the bottom right of the Grid Connect app. You don't need to have the unit connected to your garage door at this point. Ensure your phone is on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Within a few seconds it should automatically find the unit. When it does, click the Add button. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you click Done, it will show you the screen for the door opener, and clicking the back arrow will take you back to the main page where you can see all devices. Going back into the garage opener screen, clicking the three dots in the top right corner will take you to a screen where you can change the name and allocate it to a room. Here are some additional settings that may be of interest to you. One is being notified if the door is left open for a specified period of time. Next, if you want to open the door using voice commands, you need to set a PIN. Installation is simple. Using your garage manual, locate the two connectors that will get connected to a push button opener. Connect the module unit anywhere to your liking. In this instance, I used double-sided tape to put it on the side of the motor. Connect the power supply and plug in the USB connection. The sensor cable is then run towards the door and is placed where one sensor is connected to the door and the other to the edge of the garage door frame, so that each sensor is no more than 1.5 centimeters apart. I went to my local hardware store and purchased some additional adhesive cable holders and used them to keep the cable a little neater along the ceiling.
Okay. Open the garage door.
Can I have your PIN?
70.
Got it. Opening the smart garage door opener.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.